What's going on, family? It's your man, DeAndre Saxon, back for another video. And if you're in affiliate marketing, you know that the number one thing that you need to do after you get your affiliate links, after you build your funnels and your websites or whatever funnel that you're going to build, is you need to have traffic. That is the most important thing. If you can have unlimited traffic, then the sales will start to roll in, and you know that. And you've been watching video after video, and you're tired of running blogs. You're not getting enough traffic. You're tired of opening up your dashboard and seeing no sales. Is because you have two options when it comes to traffic. You can either do it paid or running ads where you can blow thousands of dollars before you ever get a sale, or you can do it free. But sometimes you don't want to create content. Maybe you don't have time. Maybe you don't want to show your face. Maybe you're not good at typing up websites and blogs. Well, in this video, you'll have the exact software that I use to get unlimited traffic on my Instagram page, and how I make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day in something called software affiliate marketing. So hang on tight. Let's make things happen. So first thing I want to show you guys is a proof of this on my Instagram page. So you can see that this is a brand new Instagram page. It literally has only 300 followers on it. Every single one of these followers have actually come from the traffic source that I'm going to show you right now, which is an Instagram growth software. So we can go ahead and you can see all the followers, all the likes, all the engagement of people that are coming in. These are real accounts, real people, real engagement. And at the end of the day, these are the people that are clicking the links in my bio and becoming sales and commissions inside of my affiliate marketing product. Talk about the traffic source that I use in order to generate unlimited traffic to my affiliate marketing business. So what I'm showing you right now is this website. And what it basically does, it allows a person to grow their Instagram account and get anywhere from 10,000 monthly profile visits to an account. Like I just showed you on my Instagram account, every single one of those followers, it's only been a month, over 300 followers have come in. So for some of you, you might be thinking, well, that's not a lot of people. Guys, one thing about Instagram is it's built off social proof. So when I have my other accounts that have 5,000, 10,000 followers on it, I'm gaining anywhere from 100 followers a day. But to gain anywhere from 20 to 50 followers a day every single day, that's a lot of traffic for most people, especially when it comes to high quality traffic. So the way I'm able to do that is by using this Instagram growth software. So essentially what it does, it watches the stories of people that are engagers of the product that I sell. So let's just say, for example, I am selling a fitness product when it comes to affiliate marketing. What I can do is I can target the followers of fitness influencers and then start to get a portion of their followers to come follow me back by watching their story. And just built off of human curiosity, people click the link, see that my profile has watched their story, and if my profile is built out nicely, like as you see here on my example, I only had a couple photos on this brand new account. I think maybe like 9 photos or something like that. You can see that a portion of those people will follow me back or follow you back, and that's how I'm getting traffic, and that's how I'm getting paid anywhere from $300 up to $1,000 per day, literally by using this Instagram growth software. So essentially, like I said, what it does is it goes and watches and views the story of people, stories that are relevant to your brand by targeting specific usernames and hashtag. It drives profile visits to your Instagram page, resulting in a significant increase in daily followers and engagement. So basically, it's a growth tool. You could do targeting, you could do reporting, there's help centers, and this is basically what I have been doing in order to get to the next level. So I'll show you some of the stats right here. So I want to show you the back end of what this looks like. So these are the targets that I'm using to get the traffic to my affiliate link. So these are people that are, as you see here, these are people teaching affiliate marketing, Sarah Finance. These guys all have either YouTube channels or content all centered around affiliate marketing. So what I've been able to do is come into here, and I can see that this person, I gained 47 followers, 140 likes. This account, I got 20 followers, 38 likes, so on and so forth. So I can see which of these targets I'm getting the most amount of followers from. And if I come over here and I look at these stats, so what I'm looking at right now, at the top, you can see it says 09/01/24. So you can see the date and the different types of actions that it does that day, and the amount of followers is the second from the bottom here. So you can see that today is the 11th of me posting this, and I got 22 followers, real people, 22 real followers today alone onto a brand new Instagram account that literally has 9 posted photos and less than 300 followers. All of those followers have come from this month's use of this software. And if I check the link in my bio, I saw that I'll put a little screen right here. I have over 3,000 profile visits this month alone on a brand new Instagram account. So if you already have credibility built up, you have a bunch of followers already, this is going to skyrocket your success. But what I'm showing you is if you're just getting started out and you have an Instagram page only has 100 followers, 200 followers, 500 followers, you can still start to see success. And so you can see with this amount of followers coming in every single day, I'm able to get real traffic, real people over to my Instagram. And because of that, I'm able to get unlimited traffic. And I never have an issue of having to get people over to my affiliate links. Now, do I create content? Yes, that helps me build my brand. Do I have a paid method? No, I'm not spending $1,000 a month on ads like I do with my other businesses. For the price of a Starbucks coffee every single day, I use this software. Honestly, it made me 10 grand last week alone because of the amount of traffic that it's generating. I'm getting high quality leads without having to spend such a lot of money like somebody who's running ads. Creating a little bit of content helps me increase my conversions. So guys, if you want to go ahead and try this Instagram software for yourself, you can check out the links in the description below. Or if you want help step by step on how to scale your own software affiliate marketing business to 10 grand a month online every single month, go ahead and click the links in the description below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.